The impact of body-worn video cameras in our study has shown that they're very effective in terms of reducing specific types of offences like public order and assaults, and also antisocial behaviour.
First this morning, it's been successful in policing and is even being trialled in some schools. Now, staff working in one mental health unit are looking at whether body cams can help prevent confrontational situations with patients from spiralling out of control. Staff involved in a trial in Northampton say they felt more confident with the cameras on.
Having the screen on the front, it's really just easy and convenient.
It's not the first thing that you see when you look at the member of staff.
There is increased confidence now amongst the staff. It gives us the opportunity to review information very, very quickly so that we can get a true picture of actually what happened.
So I do think it's very good news to use body cameras which will bring the offenders to justice.